Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to create your own uniqueness using AI. And that being said, this is gonna be the website we're gonna use for now. Basically, we're gonna swap faces for your photos. So that being said, once you're here, simply click on get a free trial now, and you'll arrive on this landing page. Let me just go to it. So you'll arrive on this landing page. Basically, for this one, you need to upload your photo. That being said, if you click on this one, just choose a photo of your liking. For now, I'm gonna go with this woman I got from the internet. This is actually Pixelbay. And once you uploaded it, you're just gonna choose a template or a sample on the right side. So you can just click on load more to load more sample. And by the way guys, these are on random. You'll see policeman, outdoor, hiking, Asian, and this is gonna be, I think, northern land, a business, and so on and so forth. If you want it to be organized, you'll see these choices. You'll have landmark selfie, you'll have yearbook, you'll have race car driver, astronaut, lawyer, and so on and so forth. Let's go for landmark selfie here. I want this one. I can just click on generate. As you can see, this is a free trial. I have 5 free remaining. So simply choose a template, click on that one, and let's wait for it to finish. I'll get back to you once it's here. So welcome back, and this is gonna be the result, and it took only, I think, 30 seconds. And as you can see, it's much more like the reference photo I uploaded versus the template of the version original, right? Now let's try one more. I want to go for astronaut, and I'm gonna look for a woman here. So a little tip for you guys, if your photo is a woman, make sure you choose a woman, okay? Let's choose this one right here, generate, and I'll get back to you once it's here. So welcome back, and right now this is going to be the result, and as you can see, the one I have uploaded is a bit more Asian and white, and the result I choose is going to be a little bit more in the black color. And that being said, I still have that key features of the woman I uploaded. Now let's try using a male. Let me just click this one. I'm gonna upload this guy right here. I'm sure you know about him. And that being said, let's choose a photo. For example, I'm gonna go with Asian right here, astronaut. Alright, let's go for firefighter. I'm gonna go with this one. I'm gonna look for a very good one, this one right here. Click generate, and let's wait for it to finish. I'll get back to you once it's here. So welcome back. So I just want to show you that there is some key features of regarding the bug here. So there will be a trial and error option here. As you can see, there's gonna be generation failed. So I want to point this out so that if you experience this on your end, you won't panic or get nervous. That only means that the photo I've used right here is too bright. Basically for this one, we cannot use it because it cannot identify the key features that needed. So I can just simply remove this one, change it to a much more visual appealing, and simply choose another photo. For example, I'm gonna go with this one right here. Let me just choose this guy right here with no glasses. Click on it, and I'll get back to you once it's here. So welcome back. This is gonna be their output right now, and basically, as you can see, before it was a bit more dark skinned, and right now it has the key features of the one we uploaded. So if you want to download this, download high resolution avatar right here on this button, and then you'll have it on your PC without no problem. So if you want to remove that watermark, I suggest go with the paid version, and then you'll have unlimited generation coins or tokens. And that being said, thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.